Let's talk about artificial intelligence. It's everywhere. It's helping people with their homework and writing poems for their lovers. Also suggesting recipes and meal plans. A New Zealand supermarket recently leaned into this. It started using AI to generate recipes. The supermarket created an AI-based app as a way for customers to creatively use up their leftovers. How does it work? People enter various ingredients, and the app auto-generates a recipe.
Sprinkle the chocolate chips and chopped nuts effusing on top of the condensed milk.
Along with some jovial commentary, may we add. Sounds like a useful idea. After all, there's a cost of living crisis. But remember, AI is involved here. So obviously something has to go wrong. Now let's be clear. Users say the app was usually quite useful. But sometimes it would suggest wacky recipes. Like an Oreo vegetable stir-fry. Sounds and probably tastes weird. Kind of like Maggi samosa or French fries and ice cream. But weird isn't the end of it. Customers began experimenting with the app just for laughs. They added more household items on the list, and things got freaky. The app began churning recipes for disaster, or may we say death. Here are some recipe suggestions. Mosquito-repellent roast potatoes, bleach mocktail, ant poison and glue sandwiches. And hey, don't forget the cheery commentary. The app suggested an aromatic water mix that could create chlorine gas and called it the perfect beverage to quench your thirst and refresh your senses. It even asked users to serve the beverage chilled and urged that they enjoy the fragrance. May we mention here that if one actually does enjoy the so-called fragrance, they would inhale chlorine gas, which can cause lung damage at best and death at worst. So this could very well be the last thing they ever inhale. Doesn't seem worth it. The supermarket spokesperson reacted to this trend. Safe to say, they were disappointed. They had hoped people would use the app for its intended purpose. Well, what were they thinking? A cocktail of AI and humans if left unregulated? Things are bound to go wrong. So finally, the supermarket has said that they are tweaking the app, or fine-tuning as they call it. But truthfully, the app needs more than that. The supermarket also increased user age on the app to over 18. They even issued a warning notice, which says that the recipes have not been reviewed by a human being and that people should use their own judgment. Basically, use the app at your own risk. If the smoke alarm starts buzzing, remember that it isn't just cheering you on. Well, one thing is clear at least for now. Chefs need not worry about AI stealing their jobs.